Hey, hi friends, and welcome again to my channel. So in last video we will discuss about the login page, how we can create a login page in Flutter basically. So in this video basically we will discuss about how we can add the validation and how we can get the value from edit text field basically, and how we can get the value on login button press. Okay, so when the user is going to press on login button, then how we can validate email password and how we can get the value. So let's just start the video without any delay. So guys, to show the message, like if the user is not user didn't enter email and password and pressing on the login button, and then in that case definitely we have to show some message. To show some message, I'm using here a toast. Okay, Flutter toast. So to show the Flutter toast, we have to add a Flutter toast basically dependency. So that dependency, this is a Flutter toast dependency. And when you go on the Google, basically on Google, and when you type a Flutter toast dependency, that will navigate you to on Flutter dev page. From there you can get the dependency. Okay guys, so let's start the video first. And to start the video, what we have to do, we have to get the input from email and password, right? So right now we cannot get use the value of email and password. To use the email password value, we have to use the test controller. Okay guys, as I told you when we were discussing about the test edit text field basically, then at the time I told you. So where here I'm using email controller. Okay guys, and I use a text edit controller. Okay guys, and same I'll use for password. So let's copy this and paste again and rename this as a password controller. So make it as a password, and this email controller we will use here in email field. So let's search for password. Okay, this is a password. In password, let's use a password one. So here we have to use a controller as a password controller. Okay, that this like this way we have to pass. The same way we have to pass for an email. So controller, and here we will use a email controller. Okay guys, and whoever is not watched my test editor video, so kindly watch that video so that you can get the depth idea about the test controller, how sorry, not text controller and the text field, sorry. So you can get the better idea. And now the task is, whenever the user is pressing on the login button, then we have to validate those field. Okay, email and password basically. So where is our button? Here is our login outline button, and this is a on press, this is a on his press, that press function. So here we will get the value from the controller. So I'll get the value into the variable first. So email value. Okay guys, okay, email value, and this value I'm get from email controller that I passed into the text field of email, and from dot text we will get the value, and where here we will get the password value. So password value we will get from password controller. Okay, dot text, like that. Okay guys, and now we have to make the condition, because user can press the button when both the field is empty. User can press the button when the email is filled and password is empty. User can press the button when password is empty and email is filled. Okay, so these three condition as of now we are covering. So let's make the condition when both field is empty. So if let's make it as a caps, let's follow the camel format. So email value dot is empty. Okay, and password value dot is empty. Then we have to show some message. Okay, and in else condition, if it is not empty, uh, basically password email is empty, then if, or what we can say, we can copy this condition and paste it here. Okay guys, and same paste it here and make it else and format it now. Okay, so now we have to keep this pass email is empty and when password is empty. Okay. Okay guys, now what we have to do, we have to make one method. Okay, so let's make this method is show alert message. This basically I'm creating. Okay, and this is I'm not created right now, so I'm creating from here. Okay guys, and one more thing, I have to pass some value here, so let's make it again message. Okay, like this, and create the function again. So this would be a string message. Okay guys, or okay, so now we have to pass the message here. So as of now I'm passing as like that. So if email and password both empty, I'm passing like email and please enter the both value. Please enter the both values, both values. Okay, and if email is empty, then please enter the email id. If password is empty, then please enter password. Okay guys, okay, and one more condition, that one belongs to that regular expression. So like user entering the validate password or not, so that one we will cover in next video. In this video basically we are covering these things only. Okay guys, so now to show once this method is called, the values we have, then what things is happen, we have to create now flutter toast. So we have to use the flutter and toast dot so toast, and now you can see here a message. So uh, alert message we can make it alert message. Okay guys, and same we can use here alert message, and you can see what value we have. We have here toast length, we have a gravity. So let's make a toast length, so that will be a toast dot long as of now I'm using. And then we have a text color, so text color, then colors dot white we are using as of now. And what we have here, what we have, background color gravity. So like make it gravity, then gravity. Let's check the how is this the type of this value. This is a toast gravity dot center. Okay, so now I have made this, and let's run it. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's run it one time, then we will check. Cancel this and run now. So this will take some few seconds, not much. Okay, this is run now, and let's launch the page. Then okay, so now we have not entered anything, and now clicking the button. So please enter the both values, because I have not entered anything. Now let me enter something in email. Okay, now we are not following the format. How which kind of value we are using, that we will cover into the next video. Okay, see, so please enter the password, because the password we have not entered. Let's keep blank this and enter something here, and again let's click on button. Please enter the email, and now let's Okay, so both the things is filled in that cover. This case we have not covered now, so let make it cover this. So everything we have covered. If user have entered both the values, so what message should be show? The message should be you log in successfully. Login successfully. Okay, guys. Control S and let's submit. So see, so this our I mean email validation is pending, so I basically copy this from Google, honestly. And this is just a regular expression where we have to pass a expression, basically regular expression string. Okay, in this is a class, or okay, there we have to pass this regular expression of the email pattern, and which has a dot has match method, which will basically match the value of input email. Okay, so if email input email is validate, okay, basically we pass a valid email id, then it's written true, otherwise written false. Okay, so this one I'm going to use here. Okay, so let's do it. So this is for this. Okay, guys, and this is not empty, password is not empty. Okay, guys, so what we have to do, we have to check the condition. Okay, this is empty, and if this is not empty, then we have to check first if you make it again, else if okay, guys, and here we keep the not required else if, exactly we can make it in if else. Okay, so here we will check if email value, we will pass in here email value. Okay, so if it is true, then this method will come. Else what will have, we will get the message type, please enter valid email id. Okay, else we get please enter valid email id. Okay, guys, so let's save and click on save button. So see, the email id is not valid, so we are getting this. Let's press gmail.com. Okay, and again press on login button. So now login is successful. I hope, guys, you understand this thing, and if you like, then kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.